Hello students. In previous video we have learned that our Earth is a very unique and special planet of the solar system. Why it is unique and special? Because it is the only planet that can sustain life on it. That means out of 8 planets of our solar system, Earth is the only planet which sustain life. It fulfills and meets the entire set of conditions essential for development and sustenance of life. So that means it fulfills the conditions that are required or essential for life. And what are those conditions? First, presence of atmosphere. You know that atmosphere is present on the Earth. Secondly, presence of liquid, that is water on the surface. So you know that on Earth there is a lot of water, and 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. And water is very important for life. And third is your right size and right distance from the sun that enables it to receive just the correct amount of solar energy. That means it is at a right distance from the sun, so that it can receive a proper or correct amount of solar energy. अगर ये और इससे ज़्यादा पास होता तो ज़्यादा हीट मिलती, तो लाइफ इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, और इससे ज़्यादा दूर होता तो कम हीट मिलती और कोल्ड रहता, जिसकी वजह से लाइफ फिर से पॉसिबल नहीं होती. सो इट इज़ एट द करेक्ट डिस्टेंस, राइट डिस्टेंस. एंड नाउ टुडे we will learn about the other planets of the solar systems. So we have also learned about the Mars and Mercury in our previous video. Mars Mangal is the planet that lies beyond Earth in our solar system, and it is almost half the size of the Earth. That means it is smaller than the Earth, and its atmosphere is much thinner than that of the Earth, and it appears to be red and is often called the red planet. So because of its red appearance, it is called as a red planet. And then Mercury, Venus and Mars have structures similar to that of the Earth. That is, these planets are mostly made up of rocks and metals that we have discussed in our previous video. The surface of the Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are made up of rocks and metals, and that's why these planets are also called terrestrial planets. इन planets को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Terrestrial planets. Now do you know? Observations on the surface of Mars have given scientists some indication of presence of some forms of life on it. So Mars, that is Mangal, जिसको हम red planet भी बोलते हैं. So scientists find some indications of presence of some form of life on it. It is perhaps for this reason that most characters in science fictions have human-like strange characters coming here from the Mars. Now the other 4 planets, the first 4 planets are called the terrestrial planet. Why? Because they are made up of rocks and metals. But the other 4 planets of the solar system are very cold planets. Why? Because of their they are very further away from the sun, just because of their distance from the sun. वो बहुत दूर है सन से, और जिसकी वजह से सन की हीट एंड लाइट उतनी ज़्यादा वहाँ पर नहीं पहुँच पाती. That's why they are very cold. So Jupiter, next planet is your Jupiter. After Mars, next planet is Jupiter, that is Brihaspati. In Hindi we call it Brihaspati, is the 5th planet in terms of the distance from the sun. And it is the largest planet of all the planets. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. So which one is the smallest? Smallest is Mercury, and the largest is Jupiter. So the largest of all planet is Jupiter. Now, do you know there is a collection of a large number of very small planets or planetoids that lie mainly in a belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. So, बिटवीन मार्स एंड जुपिटर, जो मार्स का ऑर्बिट है और जो जुपिटर का ऑर्बिट है, उसके बीच में क्या है, बहुत सारे लार्ज नंबर ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल प्लैनेट्स और प्लैनेटॉइड्स जो कि इन दोनों के बीच में लाई करते हैं, इन दोनों की यू कैन से ऑर्बिट के बीच में. दैट मीन्स जो इनका पाथ है जो उसके बीच में लाई करते हैं. दीज आर नोन एज एस्ट्रॉइड्स, और इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं, एस्ट्रॉइड्स. ये स्टोन्स के बने होते हैं, बड़े बड़े पत्थर होते हैं अलग अलग डिफरेंट मटेरियल से, एंड दीज आर कॉल्ड एस्ट्रॉइड्स. दिस बेल्ट इज देयर फॉर रेफर टू एज एस्ट्रॉइड बेल्ट, और इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, एस्ट्रॉइड बेल्ट. Now Saturn, next planet is your Saturn. After Jupiter, the next planet is your Saturn, and that is called Shani. Shani Dev, you all know. Saturn, Shani is the sixth and the second largest planet of the solar system. You can see here the picture of Saturn, and it is the second largest planet. Saturn has a system of beautiful rings. Saturn has a system of beautiful rings. You can see here the ring around the Saturn. So it is therefore known as the ringed planet. Just because of this ring around it, it is also known as the ringed planet. So next one is your Uranus. Arun is the seventh planet in the solar system. It also has a ring system. It is the third largest planet in the solar system. It has a gas giant without any solid surface. So Uranus is made up of gases. So it is a gas giant and without any solid surface. जो gases से बना है तो इसके ऊपर कोई solid surface नहीं है. And it is the third largest planet in the solar system. And the last eighth planet, that is the Neptune. Varun is the eighth planet of the from the sun in the solar system, and Neptune is also known for as a windy planet, as very strong winds blow on its surface. तो इसके surface पे बहुत ज़्यादा wind चलती है, and because of it, it is also known as windy planet. So you had observed that all the planets have some special features. सब में कुछ अलग अलग खास बात है. Like Neptune is a windy planet, Mars is a red planet जो हमारा Earth है, it sustains life, and it is sometimes also referred as blue planet. Mercury is the smallest, right? And Venus is the hottest and the brightest planet. So ये जो चीज़ें हैं, पर्टिकुलर फीचर्स हैं, स्पेशल थिंग्स हैं सारे प्लैनेट्स के, ये आपको लर्न करनी है, समझनी है कि किस में क्या स्पेशल चीज़ है. लाइक इन सैटर्न देयर इज अ रिंग, है ना, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड अ रिंग्ड प्लैनेट, सो दैट इज स्पेशल इन इट. उसके बाद Jupiter is the largest of all the planets. So you have to learn all these features of different planets. So read about all these planets again and try to understand about their features. So in next video we will discuss more about them. Thank you.